What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. If you like KitKat, well, who doesn't like KitKat? But even if you don't for some odd reason, you'll still find this protein shake hella tasty. It is 600 calories and full of sugar, so if you guys are trying to lose some weight, probably won't be a good idea. But if you guys are trying to gain weight and build some muscle and you're a skinny guy like I am, this is a fantastic idea. And to be honest, this protein shake is quite addicting because it's KitKat. It's just delicious, absolutely delicious. And hands down, probably the best protein shake I made up to date. Bruh. I know I say that for all my protein shakes, but this one is pretty darn good. There's only 4 ingredients here, very easy to make, very convenient. All of you guys can get all the ingredients. So let's get down to the ingredients, guys. All I ask in return is a like and subscribing if you haven't already. Let's get down to the video. So the first thing that we're gonna get the KitKat. Obviously, we need a KitKat to make this KitKat protein shake. We're gonna get one 4-fingered KitKat. Put that one side on the plate because that's gonna go in the blender. Then we're gonna get 1-fingered KitKat. I know there's 2 here. Just use one. If you use both of them, like I did here, it was over 600 calories. But just use one, and you'll just hit that 600 calorie mark. And we're gonna go ahead and put that into a bag, and we're gonna get that little smash thingy, whatever it's called, and smash the heck out of it. We want this to turn into flakes and crumbles. And oh yeah, make sure these KitKats are refrigerated 30 minutes prior to this, because if you do all these things while it's kind of melted, it's just gonna be all bad, especially when you smash it. It's not gonna come out the way you want it. So make sure it's refrigerated. So once that KitKat smashed, we're gonna put that on the side and get our blender and start putting in the ingredients. The first ingredient here is going to be obviously KitKat. We're gonna go ahead and get those 4-fingered KitKats, snap them to half and put them into the blender. They're a lot easier to blend later. Better to cut them as small as you guys can. And surprisingly, 4-fingered KitKat has about 3 grams of protein, which is just quite hilarious. And then we got 26 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fats, which is just crazy, and 1 gram of fiber, total of 206 calories. After that, we're gonna get 1 cup of whole milk, 152 calories and 8 grams of protein. We're gonna get 1/4 cup of chocolate ice cream. Now you guys can have whatever flavor you guys want. It can be vanilla, it can be strawberry, but I'm a chocolate addict, so we're gonna put chocolate in here. And this has about 84 calories. After that, we're gonna put the main source here is going to be the chocolate protein, that's what's gonna make this protein shake a protein shake. Has about 24 grams of protein and total of 117 calories. That's all the ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and blend that up. Once it's finished blending, we're gonna pour it out. Now mind you, the glass you're seeing here, it is about 2 servings, not 1, it's about 2 servings, but it's very easy to drink, absolutely delicious to drink, and it fires you up big time. After that, we're gonna go back to that smashed KitKat, and we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle that on top, and it just looks absolutely delicious. The total calories this thing has is 618, and the total macros you're getting here is 38 grams of protein, 58 grams of carbs, 26 grams of fats, and 1 gram of fiber. Now the real question comes, when do you take this protein shake? Obviously you can't really take it after a workout because it's high on fats, and that's because we need something fast absorbent after a workout. Fats just slows everything down, so we're trying to avoid that as post-workout as much as possible. So this protein shake is a nay. The best time to take this protein shake, guys, is a pre-workout. And oh my god, what a pre-workout it is. When you guys drink this within 20 to 30 minutes, you guys should feel some sort of rush. Like, it's just crazy. And then when you guys go to the gym and you guys pump some iron, the pump that you guys get, it's so godly. It's just one of the best pumps you guys can ever, because you're so filled up, you're full of energy. I think it's better than having coffee before you work out, in my opinion. So yeah, green light to pre-workout. Now you guys can go ahead and modify it how you like. You guys can, reduce a certain ingredient and put some peanut butter in there, or reduce the KitKat. Maybe it's too much, maybe it's not. Whatever you guys want to do, you guys can modify it to your own liking. But the way I did all the ingredients here, it's just perfect for a KitKat protein shake, and it's just absolutely delicious. And that's how you guys make this 600 calorie KitKat protein shake. If you guys did enjoy, smash that like button. But if you guys did really enjoy this protein shake, check out this 1000 calorie Oreo protein shake, this 1000 calorie Reese's protein shake, and this 500 calorie Nesquik protein shake. You guys will love it. You won't regret it. Comment down below. Let me know how this protein shake goes. And don't forget to subscribe. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.